Today I'm going to go over a product that I recently purchased. It's a telescopic rod and reel combo. It's made by company Kingswell or Kingswell, however you want to pronounce that. It's a telescopic rod. Comes with this reel, size 3000 reel, and it has this little bag here to carry your reel in, and it also has this to carry your rod in. It did not come spooled. I didn't waste any time and spooled it up with some Monster braid by Sea Night. This is a brand I like to use. And we're going to go over the specs a little bit. So I'm going to be using this for my shad fishing tomorrow. I'm going to test it out for shad. I also plan to test it out for striped bass, halibut, trolling for halibut, and jigging for rockfish, and maybe even lingcod. So this is just the first part in a series of tests that I'm gonna put this this rod and reel combo through. The reason why I purchased this is because I wanted to have something to use when I travel. I was recently in Hawaii and wanted to go fishing, but I did not have a fishing rod or reel to use, so this is going to serve its purpose for that purpose. Okay, so it comes with a cover like this, and this line here, you're supposed to thread it through all the eyes so it doesn't move around and get damaged and stuff like that. So that's actually a pretty nice feature. So this is a 6 feet 9 inches model. Line is 8 to 17 pounds. Weight is a 1/4 ounce to 1 ounce. And so far, spooling it up, this reel looks pretty decent. I mean, at first glance, it kind of looks like the Penn Battle 2, just because it's black with gold accents. But feels pretty nice. Feels pretty good. And the gear ratio on this is 5.2 to 1. Reeling it up, putting it together was pretty cut and dry. I mean, the only thing was the handle wasn't attached. You just have to attach the handle and tighten this up. The rod feels pretty good once you put the reel in, but I'm not sure why they left the gap here. I don't know if you could see the gap of where it's where the reel is sitting in. I mean, it doesn't move or anything, but I'm just kind of questioning why there's that big of a gap. I mean, maybe if they made this part right here maybe with a little thicker, then there wouldn't be this gap here. And it has this this wood accent here. I mean, it looks okay. I mean, I would have liked it to be like carbon fiber or something like that. But the rod is also black with gold accents. And the one nice thing about this is that if you could, I don't know if you could see that, but on the bottom of the rod, when you extend it, there's these alignment guides. You see these lines right here? It's actually a nice little feature that when you extend it, you line it up to this line, and you don't have to worry about lining everything up later. So section by section, these lines are on here. Make sure you can see that. The lines are on there for you to easily assemble this rod and reel. So this is a 6'9" medium heavy, so feels pretty good. The tip is pretty flexible. Feels like it has a pretty steady backbone. This is a traveling rod, so they try to make it more compact, but the length here from where the reel seats and here is a little on the short side. What I'm used to is that when I hold it, sometimes I kind of tuck it in on my side and my elbow here. But yeah, I mean, you're getting something compact, so this thing kind of flips up and down. Okay, so far so good. Pretty well balanced. Yeah, feels pretty good. We'll put it to the first test tomorrow. See how it goes, but as of right now, it's looking pretty good. Let's see how it performs. Hopefully we could get in some shad tomorrow. Ta-da! Yeah, if I was traveling, I would take apart the rod and reel. And it has this little bag, so you could just carry your reel in. Of course, me saying that, I would actually take out the handle also. Yeah, before you cast out, just make sure you got everything nice and lined up. You hate to be casting and then something slips or something. Looks pretty good, feels pretty good. Let's give it a first cast. Check the drag. All right, here goes first cast. Wow. Casted a lot further than I thought. Feels pretty good. It feels like I cast this maybe a few hours with no issues so far. Reel sounds good, rod feels good. I'm kind of comparing this with my Fenwick Eagle, which is my go-to rod for striper fishing. So it's really kind of unfair because my Fenwick Eagle, the rod alone costs as much as this combo. So, but this thing needs to get battle tested before I say more. But so far, how it casts, getting pretty good distance. This is cast number 2. This is a 6'9" model. My Fenwick Eagle is actually 8'6", so it's a lot. It's about 2 feet longer than this pole. So as far as distance, I'm pretty sure I could get more distance out of the Fenwick Eagle. Let's go for one more cast. Look at the skies. Beautiful. Overcast, my favorite type of weather to fish. But yeah, so far everything feels good on this. The handle feels good. You get a nice little grip. distance just enough. Oh, I think I hooked up. This is my third cast and I think I hooked up. Oh yeah, it's on. Oh, I just broke in this rod. Well, like I said, as I was coming here, everybody was leaving, saying there was no fish, but I just landed my third cast in. I just landed my first fish. Oh yeah, first blood. I just had some fellow fishermen ask me what my setup was and what I was using. So it's always nice to share. So that was on my third cast. I'm using a shad dart today. I'm using a shad dart on a 3-way swivel with a 1 ounce weight. I'm gonna do a few more casts with this rod and reel, my new combo. See how it goes. So far for shad, and I'm pretty sure striper, this should be able to handle it no problem. The next thing I'm gonna do is try jigging with it for a rockfish and lingcod, and also probably test out trolling for halibut with it. So yeah, I'm gonna battle test this this telescopic rod and reel combo and see how it goes. But yeah, so far I like everything about it pretty much. No complaints here.